Welcome to Mufa Tech Solutions YouTube channel. This project is a solar-powered wireless charging station for electric vehicles. A 12-volt solar panel charges a lithium-ion battery with a BMS for safe operation. The system is controlled by an Arduino Uno. An ultrasonic sensor detects when a car is present, and the Arduino activates a relay to turn the wireless charging transmitter on. The LCD shows the slot status as on or off, along with the charging time and the calculated amount. The toy car carries a wireless charging receiver with an LED that glows while charging. When the vehicle moves away, the system switches off and updates the display. This model demonstrates smart, renewable, contactless EV charging technology. Subscribe for more projects, and now let's see the working.